Hey, what is going on, guys? Josh here with Josh for the 700. Today's video, I wanted to give you a little breakdown and a little time lapse of the new controls that I installed on my XSR700. We went with new bars, new grips, new levers, new clutch perch. The mirror I already had, but we'll show that as well. And I also did a quad lock bicycle mount. Works out pretty well. We'll cut to the time lapse and show you the install, and then I'll give you a final walk around. So, there you have it. New grips, XSR900 bars, new Vortex levers, the quad lock bicycle mount came highly recommended from Cappuccino Moto, and I have to agree, it works perfectly. The Moto Gadget glassless mirror. Overall, really like the shorter height and narrower width of the 900 bars. It gives you a much better control and feel over the bike than the standard bars, a much more sporty riding position. Even though it's only an inch or two lower in rise, the shorter width and the rise definitely help to give you that real tucked in feel without actually being in a dedicated position. Let me know if you guys like the video, and stay tuned for future content. Here's the part where I put in all the parts that I messed up on and had to re-record. It's not my day job. Shorter 900 XSR bars. This is shit. Garbage. restart. And yeah, I'm blanking on everybody else. So everybody that I watch on YouTube, you guys are awesome. Keep it up. I'm out.